guys, cooldomino here. This will be a video on a unboxing video. I haven't done an unboxing video in a while. And it is a communication specialist PE-1000. Something like that. I don't remember exactly what the model number is, but something like that. But I'm also working on a little project over here. This thing right here. You can probably take a guess what that is. This goes with it as well, but that's not important right now. So, got my scope out, and I'm going to be unboxing this. And hopefully it works. So I'm going to get my blade. I can open this up with one hand. Let that sit there. There we go. Well packaged. A good thing. There we go. Now I'm going to be using this thing to activate my two-tone Cyrotron right here. I have the DTMF in there now, but I'm gonna go ahead and open this up here. There we go. So yeah, it's well packaged, definitely. Let's seal it in there, right there actually. But it came with some extra hardware, which is pretty interesting. And here it is right here. It's a pull it out here. I don't think there's anything else left in the box. But that's what it looks like right there. The paging encoder. Got this from eBay. Looks like they add an additional switch, which is kind of interesting. Other than that, it looks like it's in good shape. I'm hoping to use this so I can program my Cyrotron. Activate my Cyrotron from it. Alright, I'm gonna get some power for it and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back here. I got the power wired up. You see I got the manual pulled out on my iPad. You can see I got a power supply right here. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Turn on the switch. That looks like we're good. Power's on. Let's try to do one. I could barely hear something through the speaker. It's just very hard to hear. It's pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and connect the scope to it, and hopefully we'll hear a few things. Alright, so I got the scope connected right here. You can see the scope's on there. I'm going to go ahead and punch in that same code. And then a page here. You can see there is my waveform right there. We also got some alarm tones as well, which is pretty cool. Let's try 1, 2. I need to set my trigger up a little bit. Pretty cool. So that seems to be working nicely. I'm going to go ahead and set my trigger up a little bit. My trigger's a little too high, so I'm going to set that down just a little bit. Now if I go ahead and page again, it should. Come on, trigger. There we go. There we go. Now you can see it. Let's try fly 55. Looks good. So it looks like everything's working properly, as far as I can tell. I'm going to read through the manual a little bit more and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have to think for a couple days now and I finally got programmed to work after doing a little bit of research and experimentation though. So basically this is all the codes right here I figured out that works for my Cyrotron here. You can see they are, why is it not focusing? Auto, use some auto. Anyways, so this thing basically tells me the codes. So if I go ahead and zoom in now, should be able to see them now. Yep, there you go. There's the codes right there. So basically those codes correspond with the charts that are in the manual though to get this thing to work right here. Like basically if I do the alert command here, which is basically 416. Oh, not 410. Oops, I can't type. 4116. 416. See how the Cyrotron plugged in over here. You can see it has a right alert commands on the panel here. You can see there's the panel right there. Yep, I had to do a little bit of work on it though. Like I had to retune a few things on the two-tone decoder board. I had an extra capacitor in here for now. But other than that, it seems to be working fine. Other than that, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit the button over here. It's connected to Boving radio, which is tuned to the same frequency on the Cyrotron. The Cyrotron radio itself needs to be retuned. I'm gonna go ahead and hit page here. I'm gonna hit page here on the radio. See the Cyrotron activated AR timer, which is what I want though. You can see the multi's not currently turned on right now, but I could turn it on if I wanted to, but I'm not going to do that now because it's not Saturday. But yeah, so that's that. I can go ahead and do a cancel command, which wasn't working before, so I am able to get the cancel command to work. Here comes the cancel. Ready to go. So that's finally working though. It's got this nice long antenna here. I got it for a while now, but that's for a different video. Now I'm going to do 410, which is basically the attack command. I can hear the click. Motor start on there will kick in pretty soon. There it goes. Another cool thing is though, the timer, the counter only counts up when it's been canceled. Depending on how it's wired. It depends on which side control. Talking about lots of counting here. See, that counted up and the motor starter stopped. So yeah, finally I got this thing working though. I like the idea of the on-off switch on here because I think that's an additional thing. The original ones don't have that though, however, but hopefully I could be able to get that working as well. There's a couple dead transistors that came out of the side control over there, but hopefully I could be able to replace those eventually. So yeah, other than that, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.